right now in South Dakota, we're supposed to have one of the lowest pheasant numbers ever. It's not true on our land. My brother and I have always treated the opening day of pheasant season, which is the third Saturday in October here in South Dakota, we always treated it as a national holiday. If we were combining corn or beans or whatever, we always shut down the combine and we went pheasant hunting. And we had high school friends and college friends, and we usually got at least a dozen, maybe up to 18 guys that would show up. And there was a time there when we couldn't find very many pheasants anymore. And so we started making an effort to leave something on the farm for the pheasants. And first thing we did is we put some curved edges along the Big Sioux River into food plots. And that grew to the point where we actually had 15 acres of food plots and that were either next to the river or close by. And then we took the waterways in our pastures and we put those into CRP, and then that's when we turned our CRP ground that was former cropland, we turned that into our pastures. So we changed the landscape entirely. And we have, right now in South Dakota, we're supposed to have one of the lowest pheasant numbers ever. It's not true on our land. We got the birds.